Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, December the 6th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left. This one, the Jigsaw Sudoku, and that one, the binary puzzle. It's binary time, yes. Binary puzzle number 9713. And before I start, I always kind of print the digits. This one has 12. No. 16 printed digits. Wow, that's a lot. 16. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Here no there no. Double ones. Here no there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double ones. Here no there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones. Here no there no. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O's. Here one, there one. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones. Here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double O's. Here one, there one. Double ones. Here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double ones. Here no, there no. Double ones. Here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1, between the ones comes in O, double O's here, 1, there 1, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones, double ones here, no, there no. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And double O's here, 1 there 1. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double check, 1, 2, 3, 4, correct. 2 minutes. Well, we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do. If you think so, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it a solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. The Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.